Hey everybody. Help flatten the curve. Stay home. For our real estate clients, let me ask you this. When was the last time almost all of the residents were home and it's not the middle of the night? This is crazy, right? Everyone is literally at home all day. So what's everybody doing? Most communities have temporarily closed amenity spaces, so that's not an option. Basically, everyone is just living online. Raise your hand if you're finding the quality of your streaming video to be a bit less satisfying these days. Yeah, Netflix, YouTube, Prime, Apple, they've all announced that they will be slowing down streaming so that the internet won't explode. I think they used the word overload. This is an interesting situation for apartment managers, and our advice during this time is to definitely market your community online, but start to focus on creating engagement between all of your residents. Can you create a competition for the most creative Instagram post from one of your apartments? Maybe a best views shot from the units looking out at the pool? What about a door decorating competition from the inside? How about a caption this competition? Trivia about the building? Streaming fitness classes or yoga classes even? How about a virtual community happy hour? That's always a winner. Give a reason for all your residents to talk on social media about your community by way of a fun and creative social distancing experience. Turn your residents into online advocates. Any appropriate content created by residents while in your communities should be shared and celebrated. At GTMA, we're searching for resident-generated posts tagged at your location on all social platforms that have this feature. Now take it to the next level and announce some cool engagement competitions, and be sure you keep GTMA in the loop so we can help. Hopefully these tips have been helpful. I know everybody's trying to pivot their marketing strategies right now, so if you want to take a deep dive into some of our ideas, check out my most recent blog. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you online.